In the middle of the desert, surrounded by endless dunes, one city dared to build the impossible, an island shaped like a palm tree. Welcome to Dubai's Palm Islands, where dreams rise from the sea and luxury floats on water. At the turn of the 21st century, Dubai had a bold vision. They wanted to create the world's most luxurious coastline, attract millions of tourists, and redefine what humans could build. But there was a problem: a limited natural beachfront. So, with that constraint, there was only one way forward: build more land. This ambitious idea marked the beginning of the Palm Islands project: Palm Jumeirah, Palm Jebel Ali, and Palm Deira. It was a vision that would soon become a masterpiece of human ambition, capturing the world's attention. How do you build an entire coastline from scratch? Let's dive in. The first and most famous of the three, Palm Jumeirah, is an engineering marvel. It's just pure, natural materials, meticulously placed with pinpoint GPS accuracy to form a perfect palm tree shape that is actually visible from space. The island's unique design, featuring 16 fronds and a crescent-shaped breakwater, isn't just for looks. This 11-kilometer crescent acts as a protective barrier, shielding the inner island from the powerful waves of the Arabian Gulf. It's home to some of the most exclusive properties on the planet. Think of the iconic Atlantis, the Palm, a majestic ocean-themed resort that feels like a gateway to another world. Shopping in world-class malls with every luxury brand imaginable, or even taking a helicopter ride to get those breathtaking panoramic views of the Palm and the Dubai skyline. The creation of the Palm Islands didn't just change Dubai's coastline, it completely transformed the UAE's economy and global standing. It firmly put Dubai on the world map, not just as a tourist destination, but as a symbol of bold innovation, limitless ambition, and incredible wealth. Today, millions of visitors from every corner of the globe flock here to witness this modern wonder for themselves. It stands as a powerful testament to what human imagination and determination can achieve, turning a desert dream into a tangible, awe-inspiring reality. While the larger Palm Jebel Ali and Palm Deira projects are still in various stages of development, the phenomenal success of Palm Jumeirah has already sent ripples across the globe. It has inspired a new generation of similar mega-projects worldwide, from Qatar's beautiful Pearl Island to Bahrain's Durat Al Bahrain. Dubai proved a crucial point to the world. With a clear vision, cutting-edge technology, this project set a new standard for what's possible in urban development and land reclamation. As the sun sets over the glittering waters of the Arabian Gulf, casting a golden glow on this man-made paradise, Dubai's Palm Islands serve as a powerful reminder that the human spirit truly knows no limits. This isn't just an island. It's a living symbol of what our future can look like when imagination and innovation come together in perfect harmony. If you were amazed by this incredible story of human ingenuity, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you won't miss our next adventure. See you in the next video.